Now that we have taken a look at why security experts are not enough because they have to work in a lot of domains in information security, as well as they have to interact with a huge amount of data. Similarly, because of the availability of the data, it is much easier for the machine learning experts to work in the field of information security. But now let's take a look at an example, which is spam email fighting. In this module, we will be looking at spam email fighting example throughout the module. Spam remains a major focus for those who are working in the email or messaging space. And almost 85% of all the emails that are sent today are spam. Now, modern spam filters can block up to 99.9% of all the spam emails. How can they do that? They cannot do this thing using simple word filtering, or they cannot do it using simple email metadata repetition. So there is an enormous advancement over the simplistic spam filtering techniques. Obviously, they are using machine learning to fight the spam email.